I wish you well and welcome to our classroom. If you are one of my students from this school year, hi, I miss you. I can't wait to see you. And if you're not one of my students and you're just tuning in, my name is Miss Otero. I'm a pre-K teacher here in South Florida. So I'm going to be starting a series that focuses on phonics for my students. And we're going to be starting with the letter A, and we're going to do 4 letters each video. So for this video, we're going to be doing A, B, C, and D. We're going to learn on recognizing the letters, writing the letters, and making the appropriate sound for the letters. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So the first one we're going to go over is the first letter of the alphabet. Do you know what the first letter of the alphabet is? You're right. It's the letter A. So in my school, we use a phonics program called Lively Letters. And these flashcards that I'm going to show you have pictures that go along with each letter. So when we're talking about the letter A, this is the picture. It looks like an apple, right? Well, it's because it is. Now when we're making the sound for the letter A, picture biting into an apple. When you bite into an apple, how does your mouth look? Is your mouth itty bitty little like this? Can you bite into an apple like that? Think about it. Pretend you have a big juicy apple. Can you bite it like this? No. You have to make your mouth really big. Can you make your mouth like that? Very good. Now, we also learn in my class about when we turn our voices on and off for whichever letter we're talking about. In this case, for letter A, our voices are turned on. How do we know if our voices are turned on? Do you remember, friends? That's right. Our voice is going to vibrate if we put our hand on our throat right here. So when we make the letter A sound, go ahead and put your hand on your throat. And we're going to make the A sound like this. Ah. When you make that sound, your fingers can feel your throat tingling or vibrating. Let's do it again. Let's make the sound 3 times. Ready? Here you go. Ah, ah, ah. Very good. Now the hand motion that goes with this letter, pretend you have a big juicy apple. You're going to pretend to take a really big bite. Let's do the sound 3 times again. Ready? Ready, set, go. Ah, ah, ah. Very good, my friends. All right, so now that we know what it sounds like, let's look at what it looks like. So A can be written in 2 different ways, uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase is really tall and has a lot of straight lines. Lowercase is a little bit shorter and has some curvy lines to it. I'm going to show you how we write it. All right, when we do uppercase A, we start all the way at the top because it's really tall. And we're going to make some diagonal lines. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to go diagonal, diagonal, and then a little line and a cross. Line. Very good. If you want, try it with me. Ready? Grab your marker. We're going to start all the way at the top. We're going to start right next to it. Ready? And diagonal, diagonal, line. Very good. Now when we're doing lowercase a, we don't start all the way at the top. We start somewhere in the middle. So we're going to pick a nice spot in the middle and we're going to make a circle. So we're going to say circle. You're not going to pick up your marker for this. You're going to bring it down like that. Let's try it again. Together. Start in the middle and circle. Don't pick up that marker and down. Very good. Last thing is I'm going to show you some pictures of words that start with the letter A. What What's this a picture of? That's right. It's an apple. What about this picture? Now, some of you might say crocodile, but this is an alligator. Maybe you've seen mommy or daddy wear this when they're cooking or grilling. This is an apron. And the last one. What is this creepy crawly? That's right, it's an ant. Very good, my friends. So that's how we're going to do all of our letters. So let's jump into B. Here's the letter B. Now the picture you can see on the line right here are a pair of lips. Now the lips are closed, which means when we make the sound, we're starting with our mouths closed. And this is a picture, you can look at the little face. It's a picture of a baby. So we make the B sound. Start with our lips together, and if you want, you can touch your lips to make sure that they're nice and closed. And our voices are going to be on. We're going to make a puffing sound like this. B. We're making sure our voices are on. B. 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 Very good. Let's do it together. Ready? Finger on your lips, and ready, set, go. B. 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 Very good. Now, when we're looking at how we write the letter B, there's two ways to write it. Uppercase, lowercase. Uppercase is really big, but this lowercase is also big. But you can see a difference. Uppercase has two curves, whereas lowercase only has one. I'm going to show you how we write it. When we write capital B, we start all the way at the top. Pick a nice spot at the top, and we're going to make a long line going down. And we're going to say, down. We're going to pick up our marker, and we're going to start back up at the top. And we're going to make two bumps. Ready? Bump. Bump. Did you hear that noise? Let's do it again. You do it with me this time. Get your marker. Start all the way at the top and down. Pick up the marker. Start at the top again and two bumps. Ready? Bump. Bump. Ooh, these are squeaky markers. Very good. Let's go ahead and do some lowercase. All right. Same thing with lowercase. We're going to start all the way at the top. All the way at the top, and we're going to make one big line going down. Ready? Down. But instead of going all the way back up to the top to make our bump, we're going to start in the middle. Nice spot in the middle. And we're going to do one bump. Ready? Bump. Let's do that together. Pick up your marker and go all the way at the top and down. Pick up your marker, start in the middle, and bump. Very good. Now, some words that start with the letter B. We have a ball. What's this? A butterfly. Good. A baby. And banana. Very good, my friends. All right, we're halfway there. This is the letter C. Now, letter C kind of looks like some kind of a vehicle. Can you tell me what vehicle it looks like? That's right, it's a car. And it's going smoothly, smoothly, smoothly. And when it goes, it makes a choking sound from our throat. Now, we're not going to turn our voice on. This is actually going to be with our voice off, like this. And to do the hand motion, we're going to make a letter C with our hand. And we're going to pretend that we're going over some rocks. And every time we go over these rocks, we're going to make the C sound with our choking sound. Ready? Ready, set, go. Good job. Do it with me this time. All right? Ready? Put your hand up. Make the letter C. And we're going to go over 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Beautiful job, guys. Now, when we look at the letter C, they look very similar. Uppercase C and lowercase c are very similar. Can you tell me what's different about them? This one's bigger. Very good. So let's go ahead and write them. All right, so we're going to go ahead. With our uppercase C, we start all the way at the top, and we're going to pretend to make a circle, but we're going to stop and not complete it. So it's going to look like this. Circle and stop. Very good. Let's do it again. Grab your marker, all the way at the top, and circle and stop. Very good. Now lowercase c is the same thing, except we're going to make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to start in the middle, and we're going to go circle and stop. Good. Do it with me this time. Grab your marker, and in the middle, circle and stop. Very good, guys. Very impressed. All right, here's some words that start with the letter C. Let's see if you can say it before I say it. Ready? Cookies. Oh, I love cookies. What about this one? Computer. Very good. Let's see if I can trick you. Do you know what this is? It is a cake. Good job. And the last one, it's a cat. Do you know what a cat says? What does a cat say? Meow. Let me hear you. Ready? Meow. Very good. Last letter. We're there, guys. You're doing it. All right. Here is the picture for the letter D. Now the letter D, you can see right at the top are a bunch of teeth. So that means our tongue, like this picture of this tongue right here, is gonna start ahead when we make the sound. We're gonna be making a tapping motion with our tongue, and we're going to actually be turning our voice on. So when we turn our voice on, the letter D sound looks and sounds like this. Duh, duh, duh. Can you do it with me? Ready? Set, go. Duh, duh, duh. Very good. Now the hand motion, if you want to learn, is just like our little tap dancer right here. We're going to make some tapping motions with our fingers so that we can remember that our tongue taps the top of our teeth. Let's do it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Duh, duh, duh. Wonderful. Now the letter D looks like this. This is uppercase, and this is lowercase. Uppercase D, very tall, has one curve, and the same thing with lowercase d, except the bump is a little bit smaller. Let's do it together. Ready? All right, guys, we're almost there. You can do it. So, lowercase d, or uppercase d. We're going to start all the way at the top. We're going to make one big line going down. Ready? Down. We're going to pick up our marker, start back at the top, and we're going to make one huge big bump. We're going to connect it from the top, and we're going to make it reach the bottom line. Ready? Bump. Another squeaky nut marker. Let's do it again. Ready? Grab your marker. We're going to start all the way at the top and down. Pick up your marker. Start at the top again and bump. Very good. Let's do lowercase d. All right. Lowercase d also starts all the way at the top, and we're going to make one big line going down. Now we're going to make a little bump. Bump. Let's do it again. Starting all the way at the top and down. Picking up our marker, starting in the middle, and bump. Very good. You guys almost done. Let's look at some words that start with the letter D. Let's see if you can say them before I can. Ready? I'm going to show you the pictures and I want you to say what it looks like. What's this? It's a dog. Very good. What about this? Now, this could be many things, but this is a doctor. Did you guess doctor? Nice. What about? Now, it is a rubber ducky, but the word is duck. Last one. I'm so hungry when I see this picture. It's a donut. Strawberry or vanilla frosted with sprinkles. Oh, delicious. You guys did it. I'm so proud of you. Well, that's it for this video. I wish you well. And again, if you're one of my students, I'm going to give you a really big hug. And I hope to see you soon. Bye, my friends.